The Land Transport Authority says it may bring forward the deadline for personal mobility devices to adopt a fire safety standard. It was initially slated for the end of next year. Now, the move comes after a series of fires linked to PMDs, and the latest was at a flat in Ang Mo Kio yesterday.
The owners are now getting support from government agencies and community partners. The family is temporarily staying in another unit in the same block. Deborah Wong with the story.
This is what's left of a two-room rental flat after a personal mobility device that was left to charge burst into flames. Two of the occupants who were home narrowly escaped, but their lives at that moment had already been upended. Valuables like passports, wallets and handphones have been burnt to crisp. All that remains are the clothes on their backs.
The fire that broke out in this flat happened in the kitchen and consumed the house within minutes. Around 60 people were evacuated, and among them were the elderly. I understand from residents that some on wheelchairs living in the upper floors declined to leave the house, while those who could still walk slowly made their way down the stairs.
Quite scared because my mom is quite old, and then we all try to faster come back, and I call my friend nearby one faster come and see my mom house. And then basically my mom got asthma, and then he get little bit the smoke.
一步一步走下去了。 有时楼下的赶快坐电梯下来了，他们有喊妈，赶快跑，赶快跑。
They are old men, yeah lah. This important for them. If like still young, it's okay, can run away. But the old men maybe cannot run away. Someone here also got a wheelchair people also.
Volunteers also came by earlier to check on elderly residents living on the affected floor. The units next to the burnt flat were unscathed on the inside, except for burnt walls and electrical boxes on the outside. Workers have already started clearing the debris and fixing the electrical lines. The Singapore Civil Defence Force is still investigating the cause of the fire. It said that PMD-related fires are typically related to an overheated battery or a short circuit.